Welcome to Motorcycle Den. Today we are talking about deer and motorcycles. Those two things really do not mix. That's a beautiful view. Yeah, do you worry about deer when you are on a motorcycle? You know, this time of year, deer are in rut and they are crazy. And you start getting down areas like this, a lot of woods, creek. You know deer are around here. And it's beautiful through here. It gets mentioned a lot in our videos. Watch out for deer. You shouldn't ride in the evening. Don't ride at night. Watch out for deer. And I get it. I mean, if I've never hit a deer on a motorcycle, but we've had some close calls. We know some people that have had some close calls. And I can't imagine. Do you let it stop you from riding? Or are you like, it's just a chance I take? I don't really let it stop me from riding. I try my best to keep an eye out for deer. And I do consider it when making a route. Really, I mean, we're going to be along the Ohio River, which there's a lot of deer around here. And it's, you know, the sun's starting to set.
But if you ride two up, you got four eyes instead of two watching.
Oh, that's true. I don't know. The way I look at it, you can always find reasons not to ride. And granted, you should be safe. I get it. The chances of hitting a deer probably increase this time of year, especially this time of year in the evening. I don't know. What's your thought? I would love to know. You know, just to see how people are, because like I said, we get comments all the time. Watch out for deer. Watch out for animals, you know. And when you live in areas like this with a lot of trees and, like I said, creeks and rivers, the chance is pretty good that you could run across some deer. What's your take, Mrs. Den?
I figure something could happen to you sitting on a couch or out doing something you like. So you might as well do something that you like. I mean, you can't stop living because of fear.
But some people do. Some people actually do stop living.
I mean, you got to be smart about it. I mean, you don't want to be reckless. But you don't want to stop living just because you're scared of the what-ifs.
The river's beautiful. The sunshine on it. Look at that. No boats out there. Probably too cold for them. And,
it's a little nippy.
Yeah, well, I mean, it's 48.2 degrees according to the bike right now. So, but it looks like glass, don't it? Almost. It's pretty smooth. We're rarely down here seeing the Ohio River that smooth.
Yeah, normally there's always somebody fishing or boating or something on it.
Yeah, hopefully the sun's going to be right into the camera, which is going to put a nasty glare on it. So hopefully we can get some shots of it. Because I need to get a lens that takes that glare off of the camera. Because there's a lot, you know, if you're in the evening and you're heading toward the sun, I mean, it's about useless. So, anyways, back to the topic about deer, animals running out in front of you. You know, what Mrs. Den said, you know, you don't want to stop living due to fear. I mean, fear can really stop people from doing a lot of things. It probably stops everybody in some aspect. You know, people might say, well, I'm not afraid of nothing. Well, you know, even the tough guys, they're afraid of stuff or they wouldn't be acting like they're tough all the time. You know, so everybody is afraid of something. So I know fear has stopped me from doing things, probably pursuing jobs that I would have liked better than what I'm doing now. I guess all we can do is try to move past the fear, get past it in some way, and not let it stop us from doing the things that we want to do or love to do. Let us know about deer. Does it affect if you ride or not ride or where you ride? And have you actually hit a deer on a motorcycle? We'd love to hear about that. Guys, we thank you for watching, and we will talk to you later. See ya.